If you're sitting in a brand new Tesla, a fully loaded Mercedes S-Class, or even a $250,000 Porsche right now, I need you to pull over, park the car, and just brace yourself, because what you're about to see is going to physically ruin your day. Welcome back to Drag and Drive. Here's the harsh, unavoidable reality. While we're sitting here in the United States hyping up slightly larger infotainment screens, getting excited over ambient lighting updates, and paying thousands of dollars just to unlock basic software features, Canada is quietly taking delivery of a fresh wave of Chinese luxury EVs that literally feel like they were teleported from the year 2040, and we're stuck watching from the sidelines. The three cars we're looking at today are so far ahead of the curve, it's genuinely embarrassing. They have tech so advanced, it make a brand new American flagship feel like it's still running on dial-up internet. We're talking about vehicles that can completely shake the snow off themselves like a wet dog, cars completely missing rear windows by design, and a flagship executive sedan packing technology so insane it makes a Rolls-Royce Ghost look painfully outdated. The engineering going into these cars is moving at a pace we've literally never seen before in automotive history. Every single vehicle on this list is a wake-up call to the Western automotive industry, and honestly, it's painful to watch. Let's not waste a single second. We're starting with a vehicle that completely defies all automotive logic, and it's going to make you question everything you thought you knew about car design. Number 3. The Avatr 12. This car doesn't have a rear window. None. Zero glass. It's just a solid, sculpted wall of painted metal in the back. And before you panic about how you're supposed to reverse or parallel park, wait until you see the tech they replace it with. Backed by the absolute powerhouse trio of Changan, Huawei, and battery giant CATL, the Avatr 12 looks like a highly classified UFO that got lost on the way to Mars. Seriously, one look at this thing and you instantly know it doesn't belong in this decade. Walking up to the front of the Avatr 12, it has this massive, intimidating alien spaceship vibe going on. You get these wild, ultra-thin, E-shaped LED daytime running lights that wrap all the way around the massive, sweeping front bumper. There isn't even a traditional grille here. Instead, it's a completely closed, glossy, aerodynamic surface featuring an interactive halo display right at the base of the windshield. Yeah, a literal screen on the outside of the car that actually communicates with you and pedestrians as you approach. And hidden perfectly in the lower air dams and fenders, 3 separate LiDAR sensors. Not one, 3. You've got an 896-line master LiDAR up front and 2 high-precision solid-state LiDARs on the sides. It makes the front of a Tesla Model S look completely naked and totally obsolete. The side profile is exactly where things get genuinely unfair for American automakers. It sits on massive 21-inch aerodynamic wheels that look like jet turbine blades, wrapped in ultra-wide, high-performance rubber. And traditional mirrors? Totally gone. They've been replaced by sleek, razor-thin virtual cameras that feed live, ultra-high-definition 4K video directly into the cabin. It's a sweeping grand coupe shape with completely frameless, whisper-quiet, soft-closed doors and hidden pocket-style door handles that pop out as you walk up. The whole thing sits incredibly low to the ground. It genuinely looks like a $200,000 European concept car that somehow sneaked past the executives and onto a public production line. And then we get to the back. Like I said, no rear window. Instead, it has a sophisticated high-definition camera array mounted seamlessly on the roof that acts as your digital rear-view mirror. This sits beautifully above a set of sleek, horizontal laser-slit taillights and a completely hidden active aero spoiler that automatically deploys when you're flying down the highway. Comparing this striking, swooping design to an American EV is just sad. It makes a Mustang Mach-E look like a bulky minivan. Underneath all that gorgeous sheet metal is absolute, unadulterated violence. For 2026, the top-tier pure electric tri-motor all-wheel drive setup pumps out an insane 955 horsepower. You step on the pedal and it violently hits 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. It packs a massive 98 kilowatt-hour CATL battery, pushing well over 400 miles of range. But here's the kicker. Because it uses a super high voltage 800V silicon carbide architecture, you can plug it into a fast charger and go from 30% to 80% in exactly 10 minutes. 10 minutes! You can barely walk into a gas station, use the restroom, and grab a coffee in that time. And because Huawei is pulling the strings on the software, the safety is essentially military grade. Between the triple LiDARs and over 32 smart sensors, its omnidirectional collision avoidance 4.0 can detect a pedestrian, a rogue tire, or a stray dog in pitch blackness and slam the brakes automatically. It practically refuses to let you crash. Now, this is where you're going to get actually mad that we can't buy this. You open the heavy door and the first thing your eyes jump to is a 35.4-inch 4K panoramic star ring screen stretching across the entire width of the windshield. Below that sits another massive 15.6-inch central touchscreen floating in the middle of the dash. The steering wheel is a literal Squirtle, looking exactly like a yoke pulled straight out of an F1 racer. Then you sit down. You're enveloped in dual zero-gravity astronautical seats wrapped in ultra-premium Nappa leather. We're talking 14-way electric adjustments, intense heating, ventilation, and a deep massage function that actually needs your lower back. You can recline a full 120 degrees while the car's autonomous tech handles the highway driving. It features a 25-speaker Meridian high-end sound with 7.1.4 Dolby Atmos that makes you feel like you're inside a concert hall. You've also got quad-zone climate control with an active nano water ionizer and 3 different custom fragrance modes, including one specifically designed for motion sickness relief. Even with that sweeping, aggressive roofline, it's incredibly practical for families. The rear legroom is massive because CATL designed a special battery pack with actual physical foot cutouts for the rear passengers. And despite the total lack of a rear window, the trunk opens up like a massive, cavernous hatchback, easily swallowing strollers, multiple heavy suitcases, and premium golf clubs without breaking a single sweat. There's even a dedicated 49-liter frunk up front for your charging cables. So let's recap this madness. We've got 955 horsepower, 3 massive screens, zero-gravity astronautical seats, a halo display, and absolutely no rear window. In the US, Porsche or Audi would gladly charge you $150,000 for this exact spec without blinking. The price of the Avatr 12? It starts around $40,000 to $50,000 USD equivalent. Let me know in the comments, would you completely trade your rear window for a 35-inch panoramic screen and 4K camera mirrors? If you think that's wild, hold on to your seat, because car number 2 literally shakes the snow off itself like a wet dog and makes a fully loaded Mercedes S-Class look like a cheap airport rental. Let's go! Number 2. The Nio ET9. Nio took this exact car, stacked a massive fragile tower of full champagne glasses right on the hood, and drove it over uneven, aggressive speed bumps. Not a single drop of champagne spilled. The active suspension on this thing completely defies the laws of physics, and it's glorious. The Nio ET9 isn't just a normal electric sedan. It's a massive, dominating luxury land yacht built to conquer the executive class. Walking up to the front, it features the ultra-sleek X-Bar fascia equipped with highly intelligent matrix headlights packing nearly 2,000 individual micro-LEDs. These don't just blindly light up the road, they literally project high-definition graphics onto the asphalt and actively carve out sections of light so you don't blind oncoming traffic, while still illuminating the dark shoulders perfectly. Above the windshield, you've got the signature Nio watchtower design. It's a beautifully integrated LiDAR pod and 2 high-def 8-megapixel cameras seamlessly sculpted right into the roofline. The side profile is just overwhelmingly commanding. It sits on gigantic 22-inch forged wheels featuring weighted, floating center caps. That means the Nio logo stays completely upright and perfectly still while you drive, exactly like a Rolls-Royce Phantom. The body stretches almost 17.5 feet long, featuring completely flush door handles, whisper-quiet soft closed doors, and privacy acoustic glass so thick you could survive a loud rock concert right outside your window and not hear a thing inside. From the back, with its hyper-thin continuous laser light bar and an active aero spoiler that automatically deploys at 80 kilometers per hour, it looks exactly like an executive private jet built strictly for the road. This is the very first Chinese EV to utilize a full 900-watt Ultra architecture, and the performance specs are downright terrifying. You get dual motors pushing out a combined 707 horsepower from a massive 120 kilowatt-hour battery pack. But here's the genuinely crazy part. It supports 600 kilowatt ultra-fast charging, meaning you get roughly 150 miles of driving range in 5 minutes. And if that's somehow too slow for you, you can pull into a Nio swap station and a fully automated robotic system unscrews and replaces your entire depleted battery with a fully charged one in exactly 144 seconds. You never even have to step out of the car. Safety and handling are run on Nio's proprietary 5nm Shenji NX931 chip that processes road data so fast it's almost reading the future. The Skyride Clear Motion active suspension individually controls each wheel electro-hydraulically. If the road drops into a pothole, the wheel drops perfectly into it without upsetting the cabin. If there's a massive speed bump, it actively lifts the wheel over it before you even feel a tiny vibration. Plus, it features true steer-by-wire, meaning there's absolutely no physical mechanical connection between the steering wheel in your hands and the tires on the road. Remember what I said about the Avatr 12's interior? Well, the ET9 makes it look like it's still learning how to walk. This is a strict, uncompromised 4-seater executive lounge. You get a massive central 15.6-inch AMOLED screen with a 90 Hz refresh rate, a massive AR HUD that totally replaces traditional gauges, and 2 huge 14.5-inch 3K OLED screens for the rear passengers. The rear seats are absolute insanity, boasting 24 patent-pending technologies. They adjust 18 different ways, recline a full 45 degrees, and feature a massive extendable leg rest. You're basically sitting in first class on a transatlantic Emirates flight. The center console, called the Sky Island, runs seamlessly all the way from the dash to the back seats, featuring a 360-degree versatile tray table for your laptop and a smart mini fridge that opens with a digital pin. Every single inch of the cabin is covered in sustainable luxury fabrics, genuine microfiber, and ultra-soft, environmentally friendly Nappa leather. As for practicality, the rear legroom is bigger than some studio apartments in New York, and the rear trunk is deeply shaped specifically to hold premium luggage sets and heavy golf bags without crushing them. A fully loaded Mercedes Maybach will easily run you about $200,000 to $250,000 here in the States. The Nio ET9 with a jumping active suspension, over 700 horsepower, futuristic battery swapping tech, and an executive fridge, it starts around $110,000 to $120,000 USD. So here's the question for you guys. Does a 3-minute robotic battery swap completely kill range anxiety for you forever? Hold on to that thought, because car number 1 has a literal 896-channel LiDAR mounted on the roof, a flawless 2-tone paint job, and it's explicitly hunting Rolls-Royces. You're not ready for this one. Number 1. The Maestro S800. Huawei decided they were completely tired of German luxury cars running the executive market. So they partnered with Jack, created the elite Heima brand, and dropped the Maestro S800. The ultimate shock? It features the world's most advanced 896-line dual beam path LiDAR system, giving it autonomous driving capabilities that are virtually unmatched by any automaker on the planet right now. This car demands absolute, undeniable respect the second you see it. The front features a stunning, illuminated starlight digital grille that's vertical, bold, and incredibly commanding. The digital matrix headlights sweep elegantly back into the front fenders, throwing intense light for hundreds of yards while dancing with custom welcoming animations the moment you unlock it. And that massive LiDAR pod sitting proudly on the roof? It isn't trying to hide, it's a massive flex. Moving down the sides, it features a flawless, hand-polished 2-tone paint job, like their stunning silver and blue-green Yuan-san Qingdai finish that screams ultra-wealthy elite. This thing is downright gigantic, sitting at almost 18 feet long and over 6.5 feet wide. It has soft-close, ultra-heavy vault-like doors with sleek, flush handles, and it glides effortlessly on 21-inch mirror-polished forged wheels wrapped in thick acoustic foam tires to kill any road noise. Whew! It genuinely makes a Cadillac Escalade look like a cheap child's toy. The rear is a sweeping yacht-like design featuring a continuous, elegantly thin LED taillight bar. There are no massive fake exhaust tips, no overly aggressive sporty diffusers, just pure, silent, intimidating aerodynamic luxury. This isn't just a standard EV, it's an EREV, an extended-range electric vehicle. It runs a tri-motor setup, pushing out an unbelievable 852 horsepower combined. The massive 65 kilowatt-hour ternary lithium Cat-L battery is paired perfectly with a 1.5-liter turbo range extender. Here's the absolute magic. The gas engine never actually drives the wheels. It only acts as an ultra-efficient generator to continuously charge the battery on the fly. Because of this setup, you get the brutal, instant torque of a pure EV, but with a total combined cruising range of over 820 miles. You could literally drive across multiple states without ever stopping to plug in. Built like an absolute fortress with hot-stamped steel and a high-strength safety cage, it utilizes the Huawei ADS advanced driving system. That 896-line LiDAR means this car maps the world in high-definition 3D significantly faster than the human brain can process, flawlessly handling highway driving, complex city navigation, and sudden object avoidance with zero input from the driver. This is exactly where Huawei goes straight for Rolls-Royce's throat. The dashboard is an absolute masterpiece of imported wood, semi-aniline leather, and glass. Multiple Harmony OS high-definition screens blend seamlessly into the dash, providing endless multitasking. You look up and see a mesmerizing starlight headliner, just like a 400K Rolls-Royce, but completely digital and customizable to your mood. Available in a strict 4-seat configuration, the rear seats are massive, zero-gravity VIP recliners made of imported full-grain wool and premium leather. You get completely independent climate zones equipped with a nano-water ion generator that actively kills 99.9% of bacteria in the cabin air. Rear passengers get their own massive entertainment screens, fold-out tables, and a brilliant digital command center built right into the middle armrest to control the privacy blinds, the champagne fridge, and the ambient lighting. You don't drive the Maestro S800, you hire someone to drive it for you while you sleep in the back. The legroom is absurd, and it features a massive, deep trunk designed specifically to hold multiple sets of premium golf clubs. The doors even feature hidden umbrella holders, and the glove boxes and storage cubbies are fully lined in thick, luxurious velvet. This is the most expensive car on our list, and Huawei is clearly not playing games. To get a Rolls-Royce Ghost or a Bentley Flying Spur, you're spending $300,000 to $350,000 bare minimum. The Maestro S800 starts at around $100,000 USD, and fully maxed out for the top-tier executive Grand Design 4-seater with the tri-motor setup, you're looking at about $146,000 USD. Tell me straight up, would you ever drop $146,000 on a Chinese ultra-luxury sedan, or are you strictly buying European legacy brands at that price point? I honestly don't know about you guys, but watching the rest of the world get cars equipped with 896-channel LiDARs, jumping suspensions, and zero-gravity massage seats, while we get slightly refreshed plastic grills on our SUVs, is genuinely painful. The Avatr 12's complete lack of a rear window is crazy. The Nio ET9's robotic battery swap tech is pure magic, and the Maestro S800 is a straight-up final boss-level vehicle that rewrites the luxury rulebook. I want to know your exact ranking down in the comments below. Which of these 3 insane cars is your absolute favorite? Number 3, number 2, or number 1? Let's debate it, because I know there are going to be some wild opinions on this. If this video blew your mind even a little bit, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, smash subscribe, and stick around, because in the next video, we're looking at something even faster and way more aggressive that's about to shake up the hypercar world. See you in the next one. Peace.